What's going on, sliders? Today we are working on this lovely 540i once again, doing another cosmetic mod on it. We are going to be doing the LED grill. So this is the first time I've ever done one of these, and I have not really seen any DIYs on it, so here you have it, guys. So this is the LED grill that's gonna be going on. As you guys can see, there's gonna be a LED lighting similar to the XMs, and I'm not really sure which other BMWs have it, but I know that the XMs have it. And this is actually gonna be a very nice touch. Before we get into this, I just want to show you guys how this setup works. There is a camera hole here, so I'm pretty sure when you guys go to purchase, there will be an option for camera or without camera. And so it seems like we are going to be tapping into the headlight. Let's get this grill on. I can't wait to see it. These are the clips. I believe this is an aftermarket one. It may have came in chrome or maybe another color. So this one might be a little easier to take off than your OEM one. This one seems a little loose, but if it were working properly and clipping properly, you would simply have to push down on these tabs and pull outwards. There we go. Boom. Just like that. And, oh, look at that, guys. I didn't even notice that. Let's do a little comparison here. So, the grills, the fins are even different. That's nice. Customer also requested that I remove the active grills, so I'm going to see how I can get these out of here without damaging anything or causing any issues. All right, guys, so I was able to get these open. You can hear the actuator turning, and you can pretty much open and close all of them there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I could simply remove it off of the track. Pull up, hold it, pull down, boom. All right, guys, so when you're pulling these out, you're gonna wanna just pull them out of the bottom here first, and then you're gonna wanna put your hand here on this piece and pull down on the fin. One, let's see here. So this inside one and these outer two are gonna stay because they're covers, they're not actual fins, and it looks much better than this, and it looks much better than what's under this. So those are gonna stay. All right, guys, so once I got to this last one here in the center, I realized that this piece actually is not connected to the actuator, and that the inner grill actually is, so that this inner grill was the one that was moving all the other ones. So this has to come out here. So as you guys can see, this hole here, you can see exactly where the clip is. So yeah, we're gonna just see if we could just push that clip out, and then this whole arm should fall off. So this should just come right out. Yep, just like that, guys. It's out. So this is what moves your fin, this inner arm. As you guys can tell, it also closed the other side when I pulled on it. So there's probably another one. You guys can see it's moving. See that? And once we get to this one, we'll see what's holding that one in. All right, guys, so we just got to the inside fin. All right. So that one was out. Not too bad. Just like that. Arms out the way. And nice and clean, no more fins. Your actuator will still spin on its own. Hopefully it doesn't detect that they're off. So there's still some resistance here, so that's good. All right, guys, so I just talked to the customer. He said go for it, cut some plastic out the way to make it look legit, which is what I'm gonna do because I really don't like the way it looks with the with this extra stuff here. So I'm gonna just trim that a little bit, and then yeah, let's do it. I cut the end piece off of this, so that way we can just put it here over these screws, and it would still clip in like so. so that way it gives you a cleaner look and you don't see those screws there. Just like that, active grills are deleted. All right guys, so now that we got that all cleaned up, it's time to install the LED grill. Got the wheel off, got all 37 of these 8mm out the way. All right guys, so by the looks of it, this connector here that you guys see looks exactly like the one sitting here, right behind the headlight, right there. So that red tab, you're gonna have to pop it out and then pull it out. You're just gonna put your thumb here on top and just push down on this one right here, boom, and then it should come right out. As you guys can tell, there's 2 pins and 4 up top, and this one is the same setup, 2 pins, 4 on top. So that's where we're gonna be tapping in. All right, so now I'm gonna see how I'm gonna run this wiring now, make it clean as possible. So I'm thinking I'm gonna run it down here, through here, into there, and yeah, probably won't even see it. All right guys, so we ran the wiring. As you guys see here, there's actually a nice little holder for your wires here. Pretty sweet. I ran it down here below, behind this rubber here. You're gonna go down, you're gonna follow those coolant lines there. And then just like that, we're plugged in, we're tapped in. I'm gonna get some zip tie, secure it well. I turned the lights on already, and it's already lit. And just like that, guys. Super duper crispy, bro. Wow, the active grill delete really did switch it up a lot. Nice. Super crispy.